Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. Today I will show you how to use the copy and paste option, which is paste special. Well, we do not have to see everything or know everything, just some basic thing would be enough. So here I already copied the date from here in column C to column F. So I can see, but I can see that there are numbers instead of the date. Um, how can I ignore the problem? So when I clicking on copying, just copy from the expected area, and then in the target area where I would like to paste it, here I have to select the cell and then right command, then I can see here one option. The first one, just simple paste. So I can see the date. So this is not the expected one. Alternatively, we can just use here the short date. Now I would like to copy column D, where I can see two things. One thing is the value, and then underneath the value I can see the formula. So see, if I double click it here, then I can see the formula as well. But I will first copy the value, so Control C. Then here right click and I can see values V. Yep. So here if I click it, I don't see any formula underneath this. Okay, so this is how it works. And the other way, if I want to copy just only the formula, how it gonna look like. So again, select the area, Control C, and in column I or wherever you want, click on it on the row and then right button, and then you can see there is FX. Then click on it. So if I click on the FX, then I can see that there is value. Well, the cell reference is wrong. That's why there is no value. But if I click it here, then I can see that there is formula underneath this. So this is also a useful way to paste. The another way is I would like to completely transpose these values. Just click and select all the values that I would like to copy, then copy, right button and copy, and then in the target area I would like to paste it as transpose, the right button, and then I can see transpose T. So you see here it came other way around, so from vertical to horizontal. Thanks.